Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, if you're facing such error, YouTube isn't responding, something like that. If you're facing following issue, then we just need to do some simple steps and our problem will be resolved. So let's fix the problem. So we just need to go to phone setting. So first of all, we will just need to go phone setting. Let's click on it. Now we just need to click on apps option. So here apps option is there in front of you, you can see on the screen. Let's click on apps. Now we will click on app management option. So we need to click on this app management. Now let's find YouTube. We just need to search YouTube. Other than we can directly search on the top of, you can see search option is here, so you can directly search the app, YouTube app. Yes, so now let's find it. I'm searching here. Let's find this. Now you can see a YouTube option is there, so let's click on YouTube. So first of all, what we need to do is let's click on force stop. I clicked on it. Now you can read the message. Exceptions may occur if an app is forced stop. Let's click on force stop option. I clicked on it. Now we just need to go on storage usage option. Let's click on it. So here we just need to clear the cache. Let's click on it. I clicked on it and now you can see I have cleared the cache. And now we just need to click on clear data. I clicked on it. Now you can see clear the app data. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So now let's click on delete option. You can see it is deleted. Now let's go back. Now let's click on data usage. I clicked on it. We just simply click on disable mobile data, switch this on, and also disable Wi-Fi. Let's click switch this on and again make it off. And now we just need to click on background data. Let's make it off, switch off and then on. Make the things as it is here. Let's go back and we just simply need to restart our phone. We will restart the phone and our problem will be resolved. And after getting restarted the phone, we just simply need to check, go in Play Store and need to check if YouTube requires update. So let's find this. So here YouTube is already updated. There is no need to update. If it is asking for update, please click on update. Other than you just simply open YouTube. Allow. I did this. Now you can see everything is visible here. Okay, so I think the problem is resolved. And if you're finding this suitable and if your problem is resolved, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.